and a rocky voice. They head by kick, we can rejoice.